Checking out this place. It's called Books and Brews Cafe. So it's just located at the back of Mango Square Mall, as you can see, and I think this is a good location, and there's an ample space for parking, so that's very good. Avenue. It's called Hebrews and Books Cafe. I believe it's a good place for you to just grab a book and read and enjoy your coffee. They serve hot coffee or cold iced coffee. They have there at a cost of less than 100 pesos. So if you're a bit tight on the budget, I think that place is very ideal for you. You can just chill there, relax, read some good books. I believe they have this like wide selection of books. They have classical books, they have fiction, non-fiction, and they have, I think, over 1,000 books available there. So It's a good place for book lovers. You can just enjoy your coffee and read some good books. Also, we also checked on their internet. They have a Wi-Fi, and it's pretty fast, like 15 Mbps. Download speed, upload speed is at 30 Mbps. So that's very fast for a cafe. And what else? They also have food there. They have pasta, they have a sandwich, they have muffins, cupcakes, and cakes. Also, they also serve beer if that's something you would like to drink in a cafe. So overall, the experience there was good. The ambience was great, but there were some people talking out loud. So maybe if you would like to go there, you might want to bring your headset so you can just enjoy the music and enjoy your book without being disturbed, or without being what they call it, disturbed by the other people. So you just have more time to relax and enjoy your thing, doing your thing there, whether it's just browsing through the books, just doing some internet research, or just reading a good book and enjoying there. So that's it, and hopefully I can find other good gems or good places to chill here in Cebu. So if you like those kind of places, please do comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more places to go and to chill out here in Cebu. Thank you and have a good day.